it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of Liv's Holiday Menu. So this episode is a little late. It didn't go up on Friday. So sorry about that, but it is up today and I am so excited because this recipe is so yummy. So this Christmas twist bread is so yummy. It is absolutely perfect for Christmas morning breakfast or like a holiday brunch, or we actually every Sunday have our families come over for what we call Sunday morning coffee, where basically I just make baked goods and we have coffee and treats, and it's so much fun. We do it every single Sunday, and this is the exact kind of thing that is just perfect for that occasion. I'm always making like vegan pastries or like little breads or, you know, twists, cinnamon rolls, stuff like that. So this is like the perfect holiday edition of that sort of baked good. It's very simple. We're using the dough from my vegan cinnamon knots and my vegan chocolate knots, and I have a gingerbread version hitting the blog very soon. So if you like gingerbread, there will be gingerbread knots coming your way. But this is similar to that. It's dough, and we're gonna be like spreading filling on it, rolling it up, and then twisting it in a certain way so that you can slice it. And it's just gonna be so yummy. So I hope that you guys are excited, and that is everything I have to say for now. So let's get into the video. So you want to melt your vegan butter, and then you can add in your water and non-dairy milk and just stir that and heat it until it's about lukewarm or just slightly warm to the touch. And then you can add that into a mixing bowl or the bowl of a stand mixer. I highly recommend using a stand mixer just because there is a lot of kneading involved. And then you can add the sugar and yeast and just whisk that quickly until it is combined, and then you can toss in the salt as well. So then add that bowl to your mixer with the dough hook attachment, and you can add the flour. I like to do it in stages, so I like to split it in about 4 stages just because then it's not going to poof everywhere, and I like to just mix it in as much as I can in between adding the flour each time. So you can see I just add some and then I mix it and then add more and mix it and so on, and the dough will be really sticky looking, but once you have added the flour and kneaded it for about 8 minutes, it will start pulling cleanly away from the bowl, and that is what you want. So then you can just kind of scrape it off the hook, and then you can just form it into a ball and put it in the bowl, covering it with a dish towel and like a pan or just some plastic wrap, and put it in a warm area to rise for about 1 hour. So then once it has risen, you can punch it down just to deflate it, and then turn it out onto a lightly floured surface and roll it into a nice big rectangle. Then you want to add your filling. So like I said, you can use kind of like nut butter spreads or any kind of jam you want. I'm using this Christmas jam, and Christmas jams are normally strawberry, cranberry, orange, and then cloves and cinnamon, but you can, buy different brands, and they're obviously going to be a little bit different, but use whatever jam you like. This one is just perfect for Christmas and the holidays. And then you just want to roll it up kind of like you're making cinnamon rolls. So just kind of pull it up and over the filling to make sure that you can just tightly roll it up and there's no air pockets. Then you just want to slice it lengthwise right down the center, and I like to use a super sharp knife for this, but it still will get a little bit messy, so keep that in mind. So then you can twist each of those sides together just to kind of hold the filling in. You don't have to do this, but it does keep it from getting too messy. So just twist each one, and then you can twist those two together into a kind of like twisted rope shape. And then after that, you just want to coil it up into a spiral and then put it in your prepared baking pan. You can just transfer that to your preheated oven and bake it for about 40 to 45 minutes until it's nice and deeply golden brown on top and it doesn't look raw in the center. And so you can see here it puffs up so nicely, it's so pretty. And then to make the glaze, you can just add the powdered sugar, the water, and the citrus zest. So I did clementine, but you could do oranges or lemons or even limes if you like. And then once the bread has cooled quite a bit, you can transfer it to a serving plate, or I have a cake stand here just because I think it looks really pretty. And then you can slice it and drizzle on the glaze, and there you go, you're ready to serve. had to go to the gym while it was cooling. So, you know, I have sweat in my makeup and stuff, so please ignore. But guys, this bread, so I've already given some of it to Greg to give to his mom, but look at these swirls. I mean, it's beautiful. She's literally beautiful. But I just love how easy it is. It's not super finicky. You can make it up until the part when you twist it, and then you could put it in the fridge overnight and then just take it out of the fridge, let it come back to room temperature, and then bake it in the morning. So I hope that you guys enjoy this. I just think it comes out looking so stunning and like just perfectly browned. Look at those drips. And it just like pulls apart in the best way because of all the swirls. Like you just get all these, there you go, all these amazing layers, and you have the jam in there. I mean, I could have added even more jam just to have it overflowing, but this jam is kind of strong, so I didn't want to do too much. It's just like the fluffiest, sweet, perfect, most amazing loaf. Like, I love it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another episode of Liv's Holiday Menu. I really hope you are enjoying this series. I can't believe we only have 2 episodes left. Like, this flew by so fast. But if you missed any of the previous episodes, I will link them all below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And of course, you can always check out my blog. It's livb.com for hundreds of other free recipes. I have a holiday recipe section. I have like a quick dinner section. Tons of stuff on there that will be helpful to you for this month. But that is everything I have to say today. Thank you again for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!